Hey there, I want you to stop for a second and really imagine this with me. It's a normal morning, and instead of struggling to get out of bed or feeling that familiar ache in your knees and hips, you move freely, confidently, and without pain. You feel strong. Your legs feel solid, your core feels stable, and your energy is back. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you it's not a dream? You can actually rebuild your strength after 50 with just 3 simple moves. No gym, no fancy equipment, no long exhausting workouts. Just 3 moves that take minutes a day, are completely safe, and can literally change the way your body feels in just a few weeks. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm over 50. My body isn't what it used to be. Strength training? That's for younger people. I get it. I've been there, and I've seen thousands of people feel the same way. But here's the thing. Your body is capable of more than you think. Age is just a number. Your muscles, your joints, your bones, they all respond to the right kind of stimulus. And the best part? You don't need heavy weights or complicated machines to see results. You just need the right moves, done the right way. Before we start, let's set something straight. I'm not going to give you exercises that are painful, that hurt your joints, or that leave you feeling sore for days. That's not the kind of strength we're building. We're going for functional strength. Strength that actually makes your daily life easier. Strength that lets you carry groceries without wincing, climb stairs without thinking twice, and stand up from a chair without bracing yourself. Strength that boosts your confidence because you feel capable in your own body again. Alright, let's get into it. The first move I want you to do is something I like to call the chair sit to stand. It's deceptively simple, but it's incredibly effective. You probably do something similar every day without thinking about it, right? You sit down, you stand up. But here's the twist. We're going to do it in a way that rebuilds strength in your legs, activates your core, and improves balance all at once. Here's how you do it. Start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted. Now, slowly, without using your hands if you can, push through your heels and stand up. Pause for a second at the top, really feel your legs engage, and then slowly sit back down. That's 1 rep. What's amazing about this move is it strengthens the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, all the big muscles in your legs that tend to weaken as we age. But it also challenges your balance and coordination because you're controlling your body through the movement. Do 10 reps at first. If that feels easy, try 15. The key is slow and controlled, not fast and sloppy. Remember, it's not about doing 1,000,000 reps. It's about doing each one correctly so your muscles get the signal to rebuild and strengthen. Do this move once or twice a day, and I promise, you'll start to feel the difference in your legs within a week or 2. Your knees will feel more stable, your hips will feel stronger, and you'll start moving with more confidence. The second move is what I call the wall push-up plus. Traditional push-ups can be tough on the wrists and shoulders, especially if you haven't done them in a while. So we're starting against the wall. Stand about an arm's length away from the wall, feet hip width apart. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Now, bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall, then push back to the starting position. That's a wall push-up. But here's the plus. When you push back, focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together and engaging your core. This is not just about your chest or arms. It's about building upper body strength and stabilizing your shoulders and back. These are muscles that tend to weaken with age, which is why many people start feeling rounded in their posture or develop shoulder pain. By doing this move consistently, you'll notice your posture improving, your arms feeling stronger, and even your ability to carry objects or open jars getting easier. Do 10 to 15 reps. And here's a little tip. If it feels too easy, take a small step back from the wall to increase the difficulty. If it's too hard, step closer. The beauty of this move is it scales to your ability, so there's no pressure and no risk of injury. You're literally retraining your muscles to work the way they were meant to, without pain or strain. Now, the third move is where a lot of people really start feeling the transformation, the standing hip hinge. This is the move that targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, the muscles that give you power in everyday movements, like picking up a bag, bending down, or even just standing up from the couch. Stand with your feet hip width apart, knees slightly bent. Place your hands on your hips. Keeping your back straight and chest lifted, hinge forward at the hips, sending your hips backward while keeping your knees soft. Lower yourself until your torso is about parallel to the floor, then slowly return to standing. This move is amazing because it strengthens the posterior chain, the muscles most responsible for maintaining balance and posture as we age. Strong glutes and hamstrings take pressure off your knees and lower back, which means less pain and more mobility. Start with 8 to 10 reps and focus on slow, controlled movement. As you get stronger, add a few more reps or even hold a small household item, like a water bottle, to gently increase resistance. The key is consistent, correct movement, not heavy lifting. This move alone can dramatically improve your overall strength, posture, and confidence in just a few weeks. Now, I want you to hear this. These 3 moves, done consistently, are all you need to start rebuilding strength after 50. No complicated routines. No equipment. No gym. And the best part? You're doing them in a way that's completely safe for your joints, which means no pain, no soreness, just progress. But here's the secret most people miss. It's not just about doing the exercises. It's about how you do them. Every time you move, focus on form. Feel the muscles working. Engage your core. Control the movement. Think of it as retraining your body to be strong and capable again. And don't rush. It's better to do fewer reps correctly than more reps incorrectly. Consistency is everything. Even if you just do these moves for 5 to 10 minutes a day, over time, they add up. And when your body starts responding, when you notice your knees don't ache like they used to, when getting up from a chair feels effortless, when walking upstairs doesn't leave you winded, you'll realize that age really is just a number. Another important point, listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable, adjust it. Maybe that's stepping closer to the wall for push-ups, or not going as low in the hip hinge. The goal is progress, not pain. And over time, as your strength builds, you'll be able to increase intensity safely. Now, let me share a little bonus tip that can supercharge your results. Every morning, before you start your day, do a mini version of these moves. Even just 1 or 2 reps of each. Because you're waking up your muscles, signaling your body that you're strong and capable. It's like telling your muscles, hey, we're in this together. Let's get stronger today. And over weeks and months, this simple daily habit compounds into real, noticeable strength. You might also be wondering, what about my back, my joints, or old injuries? That's a valid concern. These moves are designed to be gentle on joints, but if you have specific medical conditions or pain, start slow and maybe check with a healthcare professional. But the truth is, most people over 50 are sedentary, which means their muscles and joints are weak, not broken. Gentle, consistent movement is often the best way to rebuild strength and reduce pain. So here's what I want you to do after this video. Pick a spot in your house, maybe your living room, maybe near your kitchen counter, and commit to doing these 3 moves daily. Track your reps, track your progress. Notice how your legs feel, how your arms feel, how your posture feels. You'll be amazed at how quickly your body responds. And as you get stronger, you'll naturally want to move more, walk more, and feel more confident. And here's the final thing I want to leave you with. Strength after 50 is not about lifting heavy weights or being able to do a perfect push-up. It's about being able to live your life without limits. It's about freedom in your body, confidence in your movements, and joy in your everyday activities. These 3 moves are your secret weapon to reclaiming that freedom. And you don't need a gym, you don't need pain, you don't need hours of complicated routines. Just a few minutes a day, done consistently, and you're on your way. So go ahead, give it a try. Start today. Do your chair sit to stand, your wall push-up plus, and your standing hip hinge. Feel your body wake up. Feel your strength return. And remember, age doesn't define you. Your body responds to the effort you put in. And with these simple, powerful moves, you can literally rebuild your strength after 50 and feel amazing doing it. I promise you, stick with this, and a few weeks from now, you'll look back and wonder why you didn't start sooner. You'll notice your legs are stronger, your arms are firmer, your balance is sharper, and most importantly, you'll feel proud of yourself. And that feeling? That's worth every rep. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple yet powerful move that can transform your body after 50. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 3 moves you're starting with today. Remember, your strength is already inside you. These moves just help you unlock it. No gym. No pain. Just 3 moves. That's all it takes to start feeling stronger, more confident, and more capable in your body after 50. So go ahead, move your body, rebuild your strength, and show yourself what you're capable of. You've got this.